A workshop is a wonderful way to convey information to a small group of people. Here we have a group of occupational therapists that are learning more about the impact of visual impairment on children that they work with. They're trying out the Zimmerman low vision simulation kit goggles. They're trying to discern what the impact is. Is it blurry? Is there a field loss? What happens when I put these on? Do I really understand what my student is experiencing? And what is the impact of that on their activities? Sometimes with the field loss, people participating understand that while they see clearly in the center, movement is difficult. Getting the big picture is difficult. Their movements are slow. They're making mistakes that are related to their vision and not necessarily their motor skills. Even something like writing is impacted by the field of view that they have under simulation. Fine motor activities like pegboards, stringing beads, or cutting with scissors are impacted by low vision. They'll find that they need to take more time to complete a task. They'll also find that they're under more stress. It's not easy. It takes concerted effort, time. All of the information that they're typically used to relying on is just not there. During the simulation activity, the students understand that this is not meant for them to be heartbroken or overwhelmed by the visual impairment that their students have. The purpose is to say, oh, that's how they do it. I need to improve the color and contrast. Wow, look at the difference that lighting makes on this activity. Does color help? Does it hurt? What happens if the child does not have good color vision? What am I doing? How can I make it better? They understand the importance of hand over hand, hand under hand. They understand the importance of time on a specific task. Some things take a very short time to learn, and others need repeated exposure. They get a sense of frustration, but they also get a sense of what is necessary in order for their students to be successful.
Yeah.
It's an interesting process
And the thing
to
about
watch
our simulation is that we can take
people in
that
the
goggle off so
workshop
quickly,
go through these
and our
activities.
kids can't ever.
They're pretty quick to
How
take off
exhausting
their
that
goggles because of the frustration. And we try to impress upon them that that's not possible for a person with low vision. It's really very eye-opening. When people are working with a student, they often have to escort them to a therapy room or into a place that's not familiar to the student. So it's important that they learn human guide techniques. You can see their hesitation. You
Pay
can see
attention to your
their
gait and your stance.
need to trust in the person that they're working with. These activities like opening a door, getting a drink out of a water fountain, simply walking down the hall take on new meaning. They're paying attention to light, to sound, to changes in texture in the carpet. They're moving slowly. Their gait is wide. It gives them an understanding. It's a whole new world. Hopefully it helps. It helps people that are working with students with
Try
low
to see the
vision
elevator button.
to understand a little bit of what
Hit the
they're going
elevator
through.
button.
It helps open their eyes. That's all we can hope for. Thank you.